Do you understand the craftsmanship of Chinese signage factory workers? In the production of signage, attention is paid to the details of each production process, such as surface treatment for the polishing of the metal signage to achieve a mirror-like smoothness without any flaws. For the engraving of three-dimensional characters, the lines should be clear and smooth, with the same depth. Carefully select the right materials in the production of long-term outdoor use of signage. The weather resistance of the material will be rigorously tested to ensure that the signage in the wind, sun, rain, and other harsh conditions for many years without deformation, color fading. Establish a strict quality testing process. Comprehensive inspection of each finished signage product, from structural stability to appearance integrity. Even the smallest defects are not spared to ensure that the products delivered to the hands of customers are of high quality, to do to the customer to be worth of their own.